Go and open a web browser of your choice. What we're going to do is go and type in Clownfish Voice Changer. We'll guide you through installing it and using it. Head to clownfish-translator.com. Then you can press download at the top. There are ads, just be aware of that. Download the 64-bit version. We'll go and click there like so. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and open up your downloads folder. So what you can do is go and hover over your file explorer, right click on it and press downloads, or just open up and press downloads to the left. Now you can go and double click on voice changer and press yes. And now we can start the installer. So go and install it like any other application. We can press next and wait. Press install. This will restart the audio system. Press search at the bottom of your computer and go and type in Clownfish and click on it to open it up. Now you want to go and press on the show hidden icons button in the bottom right. Right click on the Clownfish voice changer and hover over setup and press system integration. Find your microphone and make sure it's been installed. Mine already has, as it says remove. Then what you want to do is go and click on the hidden icons button again. Right click on Clownfish, hover over setup and press system integration. Go to the top, press set voice changer. This will now go and open up. At the top, you can then go and choose the effect. For example, I could go and choose helium
pitch, and you'll go and hear that it's now applied. So all you need
to do is go and make sure whatever you're using your microphone in, for example, if it's Discord, that microphone is selected.
Then when we apply the effect, it'll go and be used.
You can go through here as well and do a custom pitch, sound effects, and adjust the settings to your liking, and go and try out the different effects.